Hey, what's up? This your girl Fame. I'm back with another video. It's another eye look I'm gonna do from one of my Juvia's Place palettes. Today, the palette that was chosen from the wheel is gonna be, this is the palette right here. It's a gorgeous palette. I love the outside packaging of these palettes, all of them. Here is the inside. These are the colors. They are really pretty. Some gorgeous colors. So I'm going to create a look today using this palette. And this was one of the palettes I got from the Black Friday sale. One of the 20 that I bought, I believe it was $6 for this one. And so I'm going to go ahead and get into this look. So I'm going to start with my Juvia's Place eye primer. And I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. And I always use too much of this stuff. But go ahead and get my eyes primed. Got my eyes all primed. So I'm gonna start with this orange shade right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in a little differently this time than I normally do with the MAC 239 brush. And I'm gonna go into my crease and my outer corner with this shade. So I'm gonna just go in with this. And that's just, I just really wanna focus it on my crease, and I'm gonna blend it out with another brush. All right, so this isn't giving me the color that I really want, so it's not giving me the effect that I really want. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use the 217 brush. Like always, trust the 217. Always works well. I don't know why I tried something different, but so I'm gonna go in and get this all blended out into my crease. So now I'm going with that same 217 brush, and I'm gonna go into this light, the yellow shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the orange that I put down with this yellow, and just blend that up. All right, so I'm gonna highlight my brow bone just a little bit with this color. I'm gonna use that 239 brush that I was using earlier that had that yellow on it, I mean that orange. So I'm gonna just put a little color on to highlight my brow bone. All right, so now I'm gonna just blend this out, that highlight color with this same 217 brush. You don't have to put any product on it, just kind of blend the colors together a little. Or another brush that's good for this is a 224. I'm just gonna use the same one though. So onto the lid color, and I'm gonna keep this kind of simple. I'm just using these colors at this point, I guess if you wanna call this simple, but I'm gonna go in with this color right here and put this all over my lid. I guess it's not simple, but it's simple for the palette, you know. So I'm going into this color with the MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to put this color all over my lid. Okay, and I was pressing too hard on this, but it's like chunky. So here we go. Oh, this is gorgeous. All right, so here's the look that I got so far with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some liner. I'm not that good at doing that on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, put on some lashes, and I'm gonna be back to show y'all the finished look. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and put some lashes on, y'all. I got these lashes from Sugarcane Accessories. These are the best lashes I've ever had in my life, I swear. I try other brands, but it's just something about these lashes. They be hitting. So y'all check it out, Sugarcane Accessories. These lashes is shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my falsies put on, and I'm gonna do that off camera. But these are the ones I'm using today. So I'm gonna do that off camera. I can't put them on camera, so y'all just ain't gonna see that. Give me some time and maybe I can. So I went ahead and applied my falsies and my eyeliner and the rest of my makeup, just about except for my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna do my under eye. So what I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna use this the 239 brush by MAC, and I'm going to use that orange color just to go underneath my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some of the yellow and just go and blend that out a little further underneath my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna take a 242 brush and I'm just gonna add some color, this glitter right here to my lower lash line, just about halfway. All right, and it's kind of irritating my eyes just a little bit, so you want to be careful and not use too much of this, or maybe just not do that at all. It definitely did get into my eyes, and it's kind of irritating, so you want to avoid that. So I'm gonna take the Graphic Black Liner by MAC, and I'm going to just go in my waterline and add this onto my waterline. Just a little. All right, so I'm gonna do my lips and I'm gonna come back with y'all. All right, here is my completed look. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Y'all like, subscribe, share this video if you feeling this look. What y'all think though? I appreciate any feedback given, and make sure you do, before you get off my page today, hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys like my video, comment, subscribe, share. I hope you all enjoy my channel, and I'm gonna be bringing y'all some more videos. Again, this is another palette from Juvia's Place, but I got a lot more. I'm gonna bring y'all a lot more looks. Give me y'all opinion on this eyeshadow look. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all next time.